urgent weather message from the National Weather Service. Issued at 6:21 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The National Weather Service in San Francisco has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Monterey County in central California until 6:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 6:20 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles south of Cachagua near the Los Padres Dam, or 7 miles northeast of Big Sur Village, moving north at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Monterey, Carmel Valley Village, San Clemente Dam, Cachagua near the Los Padres Dam, and Pico Blanco Campground. Anyone outdoors should move to shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing widespread damaging winds. Strong thunderstorm will be capable of producing large quantities of accumulating hail. This may result in slick and hazardous driving conditions. Slow down and use caution if driving. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Seek shelter immediately in an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built structure.